Welcome back to Ranscombe Cars Classic Lotus. Short video this time to show an air conditioning system fitted to a Europa twin cam special Federal. This system was fitted in the States by a company called Cool Air in Miami, Florida. First time I've seen one of these. Looking in the engine bay, we can see that the compressor is mounted on the left-hand side of the engine, driven off the crankshaft pulley, held on with a considerable strength of bracketry coming round from the mounting of the compressor past the exhaust manifold and onto the back of the engine via the top bell housing bolts. That's the compressor, the condenser. The condenser is mounted at the back here. As you can see, at the back of the chassis, left-hand side. All seems to be in working order as well. Fires up. Not sure whether the compressor would actually work or not. This car has been stored in the States for many years, dry storage in sort of a barn or something somewhere in the States, and unfortunately the rodents managed to make it their home. There was a lot of debris in the car. It's nuts that were sort of half eaten, nesting just about everywhere. Even the sill panels were full of nesting material. Also the exhaust system, completely full of nesting material and half nutshells. Not quite sure what sort of nuts, but anyway, nuts of some sort. So there we are, there was the compressor, and there's a condenser. Coming round into the front of the car, into the front luggage compartment. The fan assembly is fitted in here. Very professionally done too. Proper cowling made up, specifically for the car obviously. Black plastic moulding. Fan mounted inside. Actually working. And as you can see, the ducting goes across, so it blows through the air vents in the cabin. Turning to the cabin itself, the controls, such as they are fitted there on the top of the tunnel. Got Cool Air on there, if you can see that actually. There we go. Cool Air, Miami, Florida. The fascia is not a Lotus standard fascia. It's I don't know whether that was made up by Cool Air. The actual tunnel trim itself as well is a piece of carpentry. Not particularly attractive, and I'm not known whether that is part of the Cool Air package or whether that was done by somebody else. Fascia, as you can see, is non-standard, as I say, and not particularly attractive either. As to whether the compressor still works or not, we don't know. So whether it could be recommissioned quite easily or not is unknown. So there we have it. Air conditioning system fitted in America, in the States, by a company called Cool Air, Miami, Florida. In fact, there is a tag on here, what's left of it anyway, which gives you the details. Okay, there we go. Federal car, twin wipers, fitted with air conditioning. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.